In this video, I will guide you how you can open previous windows and tabs in Mozilla Firefox. So I have opened these two websites here, and if I suddenly or by mistakenly close it, then how the previous session will be restored. So for this you need to click on this option 3 lines and go to the settings, and in the general you will see that open previous windows and tabs. I have check marked this option. So this means that whenever my window will be immediately mistakenly closed, it will be restart to the previous windows and tabs which I have opened like this. So for example, I have closed. Now I am opening Mozilla Firefox again, and here you can see that the both tabs and windows are opened previously. So in this way you can easily manage open previous windows and tabs in Mozilla Firefox. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.